Very good evening, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Indicators. I'm going to tell you something market already knows where it is going before it gets there. And today I'm going to show you something that very few traders in India are talking about, the Tesla time cycle, and how it aligns perfectly with my noon layers inside the Nalini Precision Engine. Every day, the market breathes in cycles, and when you layer the Tesla window on top of the Nalini Time Machine Pro, something magical happens. The price starts respecting zones what we have drawn hours before the candle even formed. Yes, friends. That I am going to show you people now. Walk you through all the things and show you how Tesla time and the known layers and my Nalini Precision Engine with GAN Halo, you can trade so better. See here how the Tesla cycle locks into those levels with surgical precision, how the market profile builds momentum signals, and how you can track all of this live every single day using the Nalini Precision Engine and Nalini Tesla Market Pro indicator on TradingView. It is paid indicator. If you want, you can message me on this number 9845209600 so that you can get an access. Now I am going to show you something. I am going to walk you through from second. See, you are not going, these are the morning session. You can see Tesla time are congested. 36, 45, 72, 81. So we will put a line, just I will put a small tick 36 and the low is 72 candle here. Time cycle. 36, 72, 108, 81, 108, 138 and 162. Let me pick up the tool, this tool. So it goes off. Here, up to this, you can see, let me put a line over here. Nothing happens. Time compression as well as energy flow. You can see the energy flow there. Energy is not building at all. Sometimes it makes an attempt to 3 to 6, but it fails. Rotates back to 3. And time is elapsing. We are to the known layers. By that time, Nalini Precision Engine marks the known layers, that is the 189 time cycle slot. You can see time cycle slot, known layers form, Ganley low. Till that time, it is sideways, flipping between green to red. You can see it is red. Trend is whipsawing. There is no trend at all. There, later, during this time cycle, you can see energy could not expand, price could not expand, and time has been boxed under. So it is useless to trade this. Friends, don't trade this. Wait for this. You get to trade and the known layers are formed. You can see rolling pivot turning red, GAN halo coming down. What a coincidence. Known layer, time slot 189, 12:25. Every day it will not be the same time. Let me mark this as 12.25. Only with my indicator, you can get to know when the turnaround comes. 12.25, see the move. See the move. It came down, 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 again through time cycle. Time cycle start consolidating. From when? From 12.50 itself. Trend move only from 12.15 to 12.45. That's it. After that, again the same thing. Market does the same thing. Time is running off time machine, and energy is exhaustion is coming over here. 9, 3 to 6, 9, that is the end of the cycle. End of the cycle, exhaustion is coming, and you get to see 350. This is the closing of the cycle for a brief period. Every day market rallies. It is a boon for scalpers. Later, after rallying 250, again it comes back. So the whole lot of accumulation has been taken place on the previous day during the last hour. The market cooks. See friends, you are not able to take the trade next day. Such a huge candle. Again, the candle touching the noon layers. Noon layers time slot 289. Not 289, 189. Sorry, it went up to, okay, something happened. I need to change 23,000. Yeah, here you can see same thing happened. I was going through 23,500 put, it seems, or by mistake I've entered into, yeah. The exhaustion where I was here, you can see, don't trade this. So people try to trade this and get caught. Let me go to the settings and disable lines. Okay, let me take out this. Okay, you can see same thing happens. See, by the time closing bell, nobody dares to take the position, market pops up and consolidates. This is the manipulation. Exact trade decision. 189, one day, one time. Known layers are formed in the Nalini Precision Engine. Rolling pivot turning red and Gann halo turning red. Through the time cycle, market comes down. Market comes down and closes here 315 cycle. Every day it has come down 315 cycle, closed at the top. You can see some pattern change over here. After 315 it comes down, while closing it closes at the top. 3-6 final. See, you can see 3-6 energy flow culminating in the 9. Fourth, we have come to fourth. I am just showing you put option. You can see for the call option also. See the friends, nothing happens after this gap up. Again the same thing. Don't trade this. Noon layers pops in, and the day of fourth was a sideways day. Market doesn't do anything. From the noon layers, it moves up. From the noon layers, it moves up. This put option. That means Nifty is falling. And then it comes down, time cycle. 315. 315, it goes down. From the 315, see here, time pops up and closes at the bottom. Next day, this is 5th. Today is the 5th. What happened in the 5th? Different pattern, different thing, but the behavior is same. Different pattern. You tend to get tempted. Same pattern here from the noon layers. But here, same pattern from the morning layers. Morning layers, and you tempted to get into the trade. See, real trade comes only after noon layers. That is 189 cycle. Let me put 1225. Only with my Nalini Precision Engine, you can pinpoint what it is doing. This is like a pressure cooker. Pressure is building. Both retailers, poor retailers are trading here. Seller, call writer active over here, put writer active over here, and in between call buyers and put buyers are there. Market doesn't go anything. It looks as if there is a range. You can see the range over here. I'm not talking about monetary policy or anything. 100 points range. 100 points range. If you are really precise enough to catch the range, you can enter into the trade. So friends, it is difficult. Only decision point comes here. You can see trade decision. If you are an office goer or anybody, trade at this level. If you get the trade, trade. Otherwise, don't trade. See the movement, how beautifully it moved, and 270, 297, 315. Little pattern change over here. Already started coming 315, but the thing is, the market came down from the 315 as usual and then pulled back, not a strong pullback, and finally closed flat. This is how the market moves, friends. So if you apply, so I will tell you the one trick. What you can do is you can track both the, suppose, let me apply the Nifty underlying indices, you get straddle. Let me enable the Nalini Precision Engine. Morning layers. Morning layers are very, very essential for trading. Okay. Morning layers. Let me enable morning layers. And then let me disable layer 2, that is noon layers. Just look at it. Okay, friends. Now, let me zoom it. Morning layers will give you straddle level. So select the 23,473 is the straddle. Then you select 23,500 call option. Sorry. 23,500 call option and 23,600 put option. Then apply on the chart. Okay. Now I will go to, this is Amber. Let me go to options, indices. Let me take out Nifty. 23,000 a 600 put option. Okay, friends, this is okay. Let us come over here. Today's price action. Fourth, this is fourth, this is fifth. So this entire, whether it is a call option or the put option, you are not going to trade because this is a decision comes. That's what my observation. Let me put the morning layers over here. Why I'm telling you what you can do is, let me take out the layer 2, just show the morning layers. When I apply the morning layers, you get to know 198 is the deciding level, pivot level, 198. And for this call option, 23,500 call option, let me go to the 23,500 call option. The deciding level is 160. 160. So, okay. On this itself, the deciding level for the put option is 198. Mark 198 on this chart. Let me put this. This is PE level. Okay, it's okay. 198. If you can put a price note also there so that it is visible. Now come to the put option. Put 160 on this chart. Okay. Let me change the color. Let me make it red. And let me fix the coordinate 160 and okay, let me write 160 is the CE level, deciding level. So this becomes the deciding level. So if the put option starts going below 160, then call will dominate. Call will dominate, and we cannot say morning time. Even though this is the deciding level, the put option came down to 172. 170, and even so it is your reference. It is not throughout the day, not gone through this. This is an hack I'm teaching you people. You can do like this if this is only possible with to get the level from my Nalini Precision Engine. This is the pivot level you are getting from the put option. I have put 160 for the call option. Okay, this is danger level. If put option starts trading below 160, then call will dominate. If the call option trades above 198, call option will dominate. What happened in the market is history. Market call option could not go to this level, whatever it tried. You can see 185 was the maximum. It could not go to 197. So friends, Like this, you can build a strategy and take position. The premium price started selling below noon layers. I'll put the noon layers now. You got the level. If it is cluttering your chart, take off the morning layers and apply the noon layers. Now I applied the noon layers. Where is your level? 160. Let us mark this 160. 1 minute. I'll coordinate. I'll fix the coordinate to 160. See the beauty. Market came down from this area. Noon layers is the deciding factor. Aggressive selling came through this. From 160, this call option came down to 82. Did it come back? No, it has not come back, but it tried to push it to 134, Tesla time 150, 89. This is where it started its journey. Here, if I place the cursor, you can see the level to be 145 and it came to 136. Yes, friends. This is so you as an option buyer, this is a guideline for you. As for option writers, they can write call option when price fails to go to this level. This is the PE level. Then they can write the call option, whereas they can write the put option here when it fails to go below this. And this is the put buying thing. You can do like this. This is a beautiful strategy. And with the Tesla time matching the known layers, and my Nalini Precision with rolling pivots and Gan Hilo is the ultimatum for your trading. Option trading is very difficult. You can follow this. This is the hack. This video is also for the buyers of my indicator who have bought. Let them follow this. This is a simple hack they can do every day and trade this. Morning, when the market opens, noon layers, mark the noon layer, pivot, you get to know the straddle and the underlying, and then select the strike prices. Next step is selecting the strike prices and applying it on the chart. Wait for some time and let the morning layers form for the both the things. Mark the pivot of the call option and the put option and mark it on both the charts. Pivot of call option and the put option chart and pivot of put option and the call option chart, you need not track anything. You know the level. This will be the level based trading. You will be doing it. This is a simple hack. That's what I'm giving it to you people. If you have this indicator only, it is possible. So friends, from now onwards, you know that this morning session, deciding session usually comes after 12 only, noon layers. Yes, friends. Thank you very much. Nanakshi Swami signing off.